The Wobegay Canvas Gardening Tool Tote is a fantastic option for anyone looking to streamline their gardening tasks. With its smart pocket design, this tool bag offers 6 rectangular pockets and 2 side pockets, making it incredibly efficient for storing and organizing your garden tools. The external pockets allow for easy access to frequently used tools, eliminating the need to dig through a cluttered bag. This feature is a real-time saver and ensures you can quickly find what you need. One of the standout features of this bag is its capacity. With a maximum volume of 17 liters and dimensions of 34.3 by 17.2 by 30.5 centimeters, it provides ample space for all your gardening essentials. Despite its large size, the bag remains lightweight at just 0.35 kilograms, which helps reduce fatigue when carrying it fully loaded. The non-slip belt handle adds to the comfort, making it easy to transport even when the bag is heavy. Constructed from 600D Oxford cloth, this tool bag is durable, wear-resistant, and waterproof. It's designed to withstand various weather conditions and is easy to clean, making it a practical choice for any gardener. The material effectively prevents dust accumulation, ensuring that your tools stay clean and ready for use. Overall, the Wobegay Canvas Gardening Tool Tote is an excellent choice for organizing your gardening tools. Its thoughtful design, large capacity, and durable construction make it a reliable companion for all your gardening needs. Whether you're working in your lawn, garden, or courtyard, this tool bag will help keep everything in order and accessible.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.